Prodigy Solutions gives opportunities to almost all the individuals, taking from student community. For example, other companies, what they do is, whenever there is an opportunity, whenever there is there are projects, then only they'll recruit people. But when it comes to Prodigy Solutions recruit people, and we train them. We train them on their domain. We train them on communication skills. We'll train them on the industry required skills. The reason being is that we have got an outsourcing division. We have got a consulting division where we recruit, train people, and place them in the other companies. Right now we are on the development. We are doing projects on Java, .NET. Then there are a couple of projects on PHP, and the next major domain is testing tools. Projects are available, taking our profile into consideration. Other companies also outsource projects for us, and there are consultants are there who, project consultants who approach us, seeing our premises, infrastructure kind of a thing, and they will give us the projects. It's both, we are into IT and ITES. When we are talking about Java, .NET and testing tools, it's not BPO. No, yes, we are into ITES also. That's we are into BPO operations also. We work 24/7. We have got different divisions that different places where people who are working for BPO will sit and operate. We have closed around 14 projects last 1 year or so. Per annual turnover, what we are planned for 2011. We work on the calendar year basis from January to December. This 2011 we have planned for 100 crores turnover for this company. The projects, as I was mentioned earlier, we are doing projects on Java, .NET and testing tools. Development projects. We basically develop on the client's requirement. We do have that, because we cannot employ only people with qualifications like BTech and others. If you take BTech also, people who have got lesser percentage, the top companies, they are not preferring them. They wanted to see top to bottom, from their 10th class to graduate or postgraduate, they wanted to have certain percentage, like 60+% kind of a thing. But when it comes to the projects, what you are talking about, medical billing, medical transcription kind of a thing, people have got communication skills, then they will be definitely that given an opportunities in this kind of companies. Thank you very much.